It's about 12:10 now, and we're still waiting for some students. I don't think the wait will be quite as bad as it was 2 years ago, though. You know?
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
2407 to Stephanie, buses and stops are finally moving.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Thank you. So I called the school and I let them know. Mark, I'm calling your school now. Okay, Stephanie, no problem. That's fine. I'll try to do the best I can on the midday.
She hasn't called me off my elementary yet.
Yeah. It's be nice if she did, I'm sure.
Forward, you have students coming towards the bus. First, you have a student in the back of the window, down past the white line. Red plaid shirt.
I've never had a mistake with yet.
2190 degrees, I need a courtesy call.
I love that Frankie.
Yeah. Well, it's probably about 12:15 now, huh?
12.
Okay. Yeah.
Half hour.
We're- Yep. We're finally out.
Yeah? Rhino, did you get new round piece? You got a new student that starts today? No, I didn't get one. Hey, see that Country Ridge, 29 West 536, Country Ridge.
Oh my god, well.
I gotta go back, I didn't pass. 10-4.
They're both really good.
2190 to base, I need a courtesy call. Rhino, do you have an extra vest on your bus? You need a vest? 10-4. No, I don't have one right now. Alright, Rhino, she's at 29 West 536. Cancel.
Her words. We were like, well, like maybe you can. He's like, oh, we don't have to move. He's like, oh my god. So it's like in the hospital. I did not watch it.
So you have to come straight back after this and redo the whole thing all over again. So crazy, you know?
Just keep rubbing that in, Ryan. I was like, what happened? Yeah, I like you.
Yeah. Well.
Just twist it around paper.
Yeah. Well, we're finally moving, so that's good.
won't be so bad as a freshman.
Yeah, maybe not.
They're testing next week.
Yeah.
Good thing I love my job.
Yeah. I kind of think they should have just kept them all there till 1:30 in the first place. You know?
They would have been keeping all of you guys. At least you're getting home.
Yeah, that's all right.
For them, so.
Yeah, I guess so.
Would be great. They get out at 1:30.
That was over.
Yeah.
Well, you're still getting home about 2.5 hours earlier, right?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
This testing should be done on Friday, so you guys could have had a nice extended time.
Yeah. Yeah. It feels like it should be a Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Then we start all over.
exactly.